MetaTrader4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader4 and not MetaTrader5. You cannot use this on the derived platform. This is strictly meant for MT4 and not MT5. Before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there's any news as touching the pairs you want to trade, so that you will not trade against a fundamental analysis, because it might affect your trading. And I would like to advise you that make sure you trade on the regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out if they are regulated in your own country or zone before you go on to practice with them. And make sure you practice on demo account. It is advisable that you practice on a regulated forex trading account, and make sure you use their demo account. Do not place or use any money in their demo account that you cannot afford to deposit in your real account. Do not deceive yourself. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers, and do use their demo, either MT4 or MetaTrader5. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. And do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. Now, in my previous video that I made concerning this particular strategy, some people ask if they can use this on a lower time frame like M1 or M5 for scalping. And now I've decided to come up with this video to update them on how they can use this on gold. And this particular strategy is not limited to gold alone. You can use this on cryptocurrency like BTC, USD, or Ethereum USD, any pairs at all. You can use it on Doji. You can use it on Litecoin. Just make sure you follow the simple strategy that I'm going to show you how to scalp profitably on lower time frame. You can use this on the indices like US 30 cash, US 100, or Nasdaq. You can use it on UK indices, any indices at all that is present on your MT4, since this particular strategy is meant for MT4. And make sure they are regulated forex brokers. So you can use this on Euro, USD, any pairs, as long as you have it on your MT4. And you can use it to trade stock like Amazon, FB stocks, and the likes. Now let me show you how to scalp profitably using this particular strategy on the regulated forex brokers. The first thing you have to look out for is this. Since you want to scalp on 1 minute time frame, so I advise you that you go back to your M5, that is a 5-minute chart, and analyze the market from there. And since people ask, can I use it for gold, I want to use this example on gold also, but not limited to gold. You can use it to trade any metal, anything you want to trade. Now you go back to 5 minutes time frame, and we are going to look for where all our indicators agree on 5-minute time frame. Then we switch to 1 minute time frame for us to place our trade from there. We will only scalp in the direction of 5 minutes. But I have some people have been saying, why don't you consider the higher time frame like 1, 4 hours or daily? Now, since you are scalping, no matter what happens, you are still going to be profitable, because you are taking small pips out of the trade, and that's why we call it scalping. Now let's do the analysis together. On 5-minute time frame, we have my indicator here. This is below the white line. The blue line is below the white line at this particular point. So let me change the color so that you can see it clearly. This is below the white tick line. The blue line is below the white tick line on 5-minute time frame. Now that we are sure that it's below, at this particular point, what we need to do is to go back to 1 minute time frame, since we have it here, and at this particular point I've demarcated it. This is the line that we have it on 5 minutes. So we'll go back to 1 minute time frame to see where we have all the indicators in agreement with MT5 time frame. So go back to your 1 minute time frame right now. So this is where I demarcated it on 5 minute time frame. Here is it on 5 minute time frame where we have the line. So the next thing you are going to do is to take trade only in the direction of 5 minutes, which is down. The trend on 5 minutes is down, and so we are going to take only trade. So we are going to take trade only in agreement to our 5 minute time frame, which is down. Here we have now the first trade we are going to take on the 1 minute time frame is this. At this point, you can use any of the indicators to enter your trade. You can use this when it crosses on lower time frame, 1 minute time frame, and place your trade, or you use the arrow here, place your trade, or you use this dot to place your trade. And here we have two trade. This is the first trade and this is the second trade, scalping on the lower time frame in the direction of 5 minutes. And that is how to use it. It is simple. You can use it to scalp on any time frame you want, but since we are using a 1 minute time frame, then we only take trade in the direction of 5 minutes. And these are the trade we have for now on lower time frame. These are the two sets that we have here. These are the two sets, and this is how to use this particular strategy to scalp on lower time frame. It is simple, and you can use it on any pairs you want to trade. But I've used this on gold, and you can use it on any pairs. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers and follow the simple rules on how to scalp profitably on only scalp in the direction of 5 minutes. Only scalp in the direction of 5 minutes. Do not take every trade and say, this is at the lower band, I'm going to take this for a buy. Whereas on the 5 minute time frame, the only signal we have there is down. So the only trade we will take is only sell, and this is where we place the first and the second sell, and your take profit will be at the lower band. Your take profit will be at the lower band. And this is how to use this particular strategy. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do give me a thumb up. All the indicators I use for this particular strategies are in the video description. Make sure you download it. It is free. So at this point, we have it below the white line. So if you want to use it that way also, here we have it here. It crossed below the white thick line. Then you place your sell. If you want to use the arrow, if you want to use the indicator at the indicator window, which is TFF, then you can do that. If you want to use the arrow, fine. And if you want to use the moving average here crossing below the white thick line, fine also. Just make sure you practice it on regulated forex brokers. As I said, irrespective of the indicators, either paid or free, make sure you check it out on your demo account. Practice it and practice it on regulated forex brokers, and master it before you go live on your registered brokers account. This strategy, as I said, is for MT4 and not MT5. You cannot use this on derived platform. It is important that you trade on regulated forex broker. Very, very important. Do not waste your time practicing on a broker's platform that is not regulated. Make sure you trade with regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. I have been using them and I do not have any issue trading with them, either depositing money or withdrawing my hard-earned money. Please trade on regulated forex broker. Trade on regulated forex broker. I say it again, trade on forex regulated brokers, and make sure you demonstrate any strategy before you go live with it, either paid indicators or paid forex signal or paid forex strategy. Make sure you try it out on your demo account, on your forex trading demo account before you go live. It is advisable you do that. Till I come your way again, make sure you keep on trading and trade on regulated forex brokers. Bye for now.